This is the context of the article Nonlinearity and Literary Theory. This article was written in 1994 by Espen J. Arseth, and he previously wrote a similar article called Cybertext: Perspectives on Ergodic Literature. This article was also his PhD thesis. So ergodic literature is literature that requires the reader to put in more effort than they would when they're, say, reading a book, which is just eye movement and the turning of pages. This literature is typically non-linear, with some examples being stone wall inscriptions, calligrams, which is a form of poetry where the words are in the shape of a drawing, and choose-your-own-adventure video games. Arseth's exploration of non-linearity and literary theory in the context of new media is significant because it addresses the transformative impact of digital technologies on narrative forms. The late 20th and early 21st centuries witnessed a rapid proliferation of digital technologies, particularly in the form of the internet, video games, and personal computing. These technologies transform the way information is communicated. Arseth's focus on non-linearity in literary theory directly relates to this technological epoch by addressing how digital media challenge traditional linear modes of storytelling and textual analysis.
The summary of the article, and the key points and people in the article are Espen Arseth, and the concept he focuses on is nonlinear texts and their implication for literary theory. Espen explores these ideas and explains how the rise of computer textuality requires a higher need for a full understanding of textuality. So more people need to understand it properly, or else it's going to be misunderstood by a lot more people. So the software and digital tools that are discussed in the article is he's critiquing the impact of hypertext and cybertext on literary studies. And he displays that there's many challenges when it comes to the traditional methods of interpretation. And the immersive nature of cybertext, such as adventure games, blurs the boundaries between the reader, narrator, and characters. So this creates a new point of view, as you're able to see and hear what's around you and feel like you're in the story. So the key questions and concepts that he discusses is he questions the idea of textuality, and he reshapes it in his own way so that it focuses on both linear and nonlinear texts. This way it's more efficient and flexible and can be interpreted in many different ways.
The article references Adventure by Warren Robinette, which is a precursor to the systems present in modern gaming and other interactive software applications. The gameplay was revolutionary at the time, as the player would type in the controls and the game would dynamically respond with short responses, such as description of the landscape or even objects that were in front of them. The article also acknowledges ELIZA, which was created by Joseph Weizenbaum in 1966 as a success in the field of artificial intelligence. ELIZA served as a psychotherapist and asked users questions to construct further questions using information it gathered from their responses. And by referencing ELIZA, Arseth predicted the potential AI had at the time and for the future. And this of course is seen to be true, as AI is becoming increasingly popular and its integration into society is normalized, with today's ELIZA being OpenAI's ChatGPT. Espen Arseth's ideas remain relevant, especially in the realms of cybernetics, artificial intelligence, and the video game industry. All of these mediums are starting to become prominent aspects in today's world and the future to come. And as technology continues to advance as time goes by, the ideas and predictions Espen Arseth brought into the article can be seen today and perhaps even the future.